10 lakh or 1 million, that is our mission for 2030, is by ensuring that we have no youth left behind, no dream left behind.
Livelihood maximization initiative, it's demand led. We are also saying it is tech enabled, and apart from that it is large scale. So I'm just going to deep dive into these 4 specific terms so that one gets a sense of what Kaushalyam is.
If you would have achieved that, I think rest of the things will fall in place, right? And in the end, I think one of the things that I always believe in, that love what you do and do what you love. Thank you. Industry's presence in PCMC also becomes a sort of a beacon of hope for us, that probably if we go for a saturation model, there's an avenue available for these youth to get absorbed. Platform for integration between industry, academia and the government has been doing all this, and I wish the Lighthouse all the best.
Specifically from the industry, there are 2 or 3 critical areas of support. So one is how do we design curriculum that leads to employability. Second thing is really thinking about placement, but also post-placement.
Everywhere else we are prepared to engage. But when it comes to the most important input resource of ours called human resources, whether it's skilled worker, unskilled worker, whether it's engineer, doctor, PhD or whatever else it is, we need to learn a lot with industry.
तेव्हा त्यांनी माझे प्रोफाईल बघितले, म्हणजे मी जे प्रोजेक्ट्स केलेले ते, प्लस माझा जो मी गमावलेला हे होता ना आत्मविश्वास, तो जो माझा परत आलेला तो मी त्यांच्या समोर दाखवला. तेव्हा ते खुश झाले आणि ते म्हटले ठीक आहे चालेल आम्ही तुम्हाला हायर करतो. तेव्हा त्यांनी मला ॲज अ फ्रीलान्सर म्हणून नाही तर परमनंट जॉब म्हणून मला डायरेक्ट हायर केलं.